Ever wondered how businesses make sense of large data sets? How do they sift through mountains of information to find those nuggets of gold that can drive their decision making? The answer lies in a process called data mining. So, what is data mining? Well, think of it as a treasure hunt for valuable insights hidden in your data. Data mining is a multi-step process that allows businesses to convert raw data into useful information. It's like panning for gold in a river of facts and figures. This process might seem complex, but it can be broken down into 5 easy-to-understand steps. Step 1 is defining the problem. This involves understanding what the business needs to know. It's like knowing what kind of treasure you're hunting for. Are you looking for patterns of customer behavior? Wanting to predict future sales trends? Identifying the problem sets the direction for the entire data mining process. Next comes the step of data collection. This involves gathering the raw data that will be used in the mining process. It's like filling your pan with river sand. The data can come from various sources, such as databases, web data, social media, customer feedback, and more. The third step is data cleaning. This involves removing any errors or inconsistencies in the data. It's like washing the sand in your pan to remove the dirt and rocks. This step ensures that only the most relevant and accurate data is used for analysis. Step 4 is data analysis. This involves applying statistical techniques to the cleaned data to identify patterns and relationships. It's like shaking your pan and watching the gold nuggets come to the surface. This step is where the real magic happens, as the raw data starts to transform into valuable insights. The final step is interpretation and evaluation. This involves making sense of the patterns and insights uncovered in the analysis. It's like examining your gold nuggets and determining their value. This step helps businesses understand what the data is telling them and how they can use it to make informed decisions. To summarize, data mining is a 5-step process that involves defining the problem, collecting data, cleaning data, analyzing data, and interpreting the results. Each step is crucial in turning raw data into valuable insights that can drive business decisions. So the next time you wonder how businesses make sense of large data sets, remember the process of data mining. It's not just about finding gold nuggets in a river of data. It's about understanding what those nuggets mean and how they can be used to create a brighter and more prosperous future.